Sense. This amazingly compact circular device is able to monitor various measures, including temperature, humidity, air pressure, brightness, noise and carbon dioxide levels, motion, and so on. Thanks to the many built-in sensors and machine learning, Sense works better with time. The device sends push notifications to the phone with useful information and advice on the environment, as well as other important things. For example, if someone enters the house. In addition, the gadget is extremely simple to handle. You can just carry it with you or set it in the room to begin collecting information. The price of Sense is $45. Snap. Despite its size, this tiny action camera has enough power and performs all the functions of such devices. It weighs only 28 grams, while being able to shoot 4K videos. A distinctive feature of the gadget is its movable lens, which rotates 180 degrees and shoots in any convenient position. Thanks to the built-in magnet, the camera can be easily but at the same time firmly attached to the user's clothes, and therefore it doesn't require additional fixing elements. The Snap battery lasts for an hour and a half when recording high-quality video, and besides, the manufacturer suggests using an additional external battery in case the battery of the camera is dead too early. You can buy Snap for $140. Mighty. This small streaming player from Mighty Audio was created for lovers of an active lifestyle with a premium Spotify account. The main feature of this device is that you don't have to download music in a classic way. It downloads Spotify playlists for offline listening. However, offline listening is available only for users who have a paid account, so along with the player, you need to purchase a premium account. The device's memory is enough for 1,000 songs. The player is waterproof, and the battery capacity is enough for 5 hours of work. Both wired and wireless headphones can be used, and it's equipped with a standard connector and a Bluetooth transceiver. It synchronizes with playlists and updates the library with a Wi-Fi connection. In order to work, the player must be synced with the owner's smartphone. The gadget is available in 3 colors, and it costs $86. Nimble. This bright yellow silicone thimble, equipped with a small blade, is able to replace box cutters and scissors. It helps to open envelopes, plastic packaging, and tape-sealed boxes with one hand movement. The device is made without regard to the specific size of the fingers, and therefore it's suitable for any user. The manufacturer emphasizes that this thimble doesn't cause discomfort even with prolonged wearing, for example during the working day, and doesn't hurt the skin of the hands. In addition, the design of the blade prevents accidental cuts. The cost of this small knife is $11. Keytitan. This titanium carabiner to reliably store your keys comes in several colors and models, depending on the size and additional functionalities. This device allows carrying any number of keys, preventing their sounding and also reducing the space required for storage. In addition, it can be used for opening bottles and as a multi-tool. The price of the Keytitan is $21. Zuta Pocket Printer. Inventors from the Jerusalem University of Technology designed this small printing robot. Unlike other portable printing devices, this gadget literally moves on the sheet, printing the text. The printer is based on wheels, which allows the device to move independently in any direction. For the convenience of aligning the printer on the sheet, engineers have developed a special design. The pocket printer has one sharp angle that is set in the corner of the sheet. A switch on the sole activates the printer, and the ink begins to flow. The user only has to correctly place the device. In addition, Pocket Printer is equipped with stabilizing sensors and works with any paper format. The device can be synchronized with a computer or a smartphone via Bluetooth without any additional drivers. The capacity of the built-in cartridge allows you to print up to 1,000 pages, and the battery charge is enough for about 1 hour of continuous operation. You can buy this pocket printer for about $180. The SwiftPoint GT. This unusual gadget, according to its creators, is an alternative to the usual computer mouse. It not only fits easily in the fingers, but can also be used directly on the edge of the laptop. According to the developer, SwiftPoint GT is the first input device that combines the natural gestures of the touchscreen with the accuracy and convenience of a computer mouse. The small size and convenient shape make the SwiftPoint GT manipulator suitable for a wide range of users. This light device, measuring 56 by 40 by 33 millimeters and weighing only 24 grams, is quite suitable for the role of companion to a mobile computer, to which it connects via Bluetooth 4 or through its own receiver with a USB interface. The SwiftPoint GT is powered by a built-in battery, which provides up to 2 weeks of continuous work without recharging. The cost of the mini controller is $150. Wave. This ring, developed by the Icelandic startup Genki Instruments, allows you to manage digital audio applications with just one finger movement. The device is made in the form of a stretchable bracelet, which eliminated the problem of mismatch in size. In addition, the developers made it easy to control. To start using it, you need to master only 5 basic movements, which must be synced with the application. These include tapping on the surface, moving the hand with the ring to the right and left, and some other movements. The controller itself consists of a motion sensor, a Bluetooth antenna, a Euro rack module which provides connection to keyboards, and batteries, which guarantee up to 4 hours of operation in the offline mode. Thanks to these components, the user can control the music remotely, change the volume, rhythm, include sound effects, and give other commands, interacting with any compatible application. You can buy this ring for $129. Leatherman Tread. According to the manufacturers, the Leatherman Tread black bracelet made of stainless steel completely changes the idea of multi-tools. This practical model is capable of transforming into 29 fully fledged tools and devices, and at the same time, its warranty period is 25 years, which is much longer than that of any multi-tool. The center of the bracelet is adjusted to the size of the wrist by adding or removing links, and a diamond-like carbon coating protects the entire surface. The device includes a hook for cutting ropes, sets of screwdrivers and wrenches, a cutter with a carbide tip, an extractor for SIM cards, and a blade for opening envelopes and cardboard boxes. Each segment is securely connected to the rest with screws. However, the round shape of the parts allows you to not be afraid of cuts or abrasions on the leather because of constant wearing. Even the hexagon bracelet snap can be used as an opener for cans and bottles. The price of such a stylish bracelet is $175. Nokia Fit. One of the biggest problems of modern mobile phones and smartphones is their size, which can cause great discomfort. According to the developer of the concept, Tunisian designer Issam Trabelsi, the Nokia Fit ring should help in this situation. The device itself is a fully fledged phone and is designed for convenient taking or making calls and messages. However, the technology of writing texts is still unclear. On the other hand, the gadget is still being developed. The designer notes that it's not necessary to take off the ring even during showering. The user learns about the incoming messages and calls by means of vibration, and according to the idea of the creator, this unusual device will be made of soft silicone and flexible rubber, and therefore won't restrict the movement of the person wearing it. The use of these materials, as well as its special form, makes it available to people with differently sized fingers. Unfortunately, we couldn't find out the estimated price of this gadget.